Ma'am, please calm down. Your CD tray is not a cup holder. I cannot help you clear your browser cache. No, I'm not in India.
You're invited to the 2014 Southeast Technical Institute Portfolio Show, taking place April 24th from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Museum of Visual Materials, located at 500 North Main Avenue in Sioux Falls. Come and chat with the newest faces in the STI media programs and get a chance to view their work. To learn more about our show, visit our website at Graphics.southeasttech.edu. See you there!